Loved one and needs the public's help. They say they haven't seen or heard from the 22-year-old Pittsburgh woman for a couple of weeks, and now they're fearing the worst. KTVU's Lloyd LaQuesta is in South San Jose with a live report. Lloyd.
Julie, I'm in a neighborhood near Silverville Avenue, which may hold a clue to the missing whereabouts of this missing 22-year-old woman from Pittsburgh, Kimmy Silverthorne.
We saw her, I think it was Saturday, around this time, about 4, 5, 6 o'clock.
Joanne McCartney says she recognized the missing woman from pictures her family has distributed in this neighborhood. Silverthorne, she says, called herself Debbie and was selling magazine subscriptions door to door with another young woman to pay for schooling.
It didn't seem like that she was under any duress.
But family and close friends feel otherwise. It has been 2 weeks since they have seen or heard from Silverthorne. They say the last time they talked to her, she said she had found a new traveling job.
I called her, and I think she answered the phone like by accident. And I asked her, I said, "Are you okay?" She said, "Yeah." I said, "Are you coming home tonight?" She said, "No."
Her sister said she found a picture of this woman on Silverthorne's Facebook page. Residents of the neighborhood say she was with her sister selling magazines. The family is worried.
On the internet, like, he researched the traveling magazine door-to-door jobs. They really, like, either lead to death or heavy drug use, prostitution, and whatnot.
The family has been handing out information in San Jose and Pittsburgh. They say they have filed a missing persons report with police. The family just wants to hear from her.
I tell her that we want her to come home and we miss her, and we love her, and we just want to make sure she's okay, even if she doesn't want to come back. I just want to know that she's safe.
Kimmy Silverthorne is 5 feet 5 inches tall, 180 to 230 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. She also wears a cross around her neck. The family hopes at the very least she will give them a call. Live in San Jose, Lloyd LaQuesta, KTVU Channel 2 News. Santa Clara County Jail.